everybody, Mrs. Whitaker again. Tonight I thought I would do a lesson on another famous person, but tonight I want you guys to really work on listening. Listening skills can be tricky. Sometimes you have to train yourself to be a better listener. Find a strategy that helps you. Maybe closing your eyes, maybe focusing on something that somebody's wearing to help you listen better. So when I'm done with this very short reading, I want you to try your best to see if you can remember at least 2 things about Amelia Earhart. But then after that, I would like you to try your best to go on Epic, where I assign some books. You might be surprised. Maybe a book like this will be on Epic tonight for you to actually read it. You can either read it by yourself or they will actually read it to you. I also assigned a really short little video about Amelia Earhart. So are you ready? I'm ready. So I have a very short story tonight. It's called Good Night Stories for Rebel Girls. And this whole book only has one amazing, beautiful picture and then just one page. So I'm going to read this to you. So you're going to have to listen because it's only one picture. And there's a caption under here. It says, "Adventure is worthwhile in itself, Amelia Earhart." Amelia Earhart, aviator. Once upon a time, a girl called Amelia saved enough money to buy a yellow airplane. She called it the Canary. A few years later, she became the first woman to fly solo across the Atlantic Ocean. It was a dangerous flight. Her tiny plane was tossed around by strong winds and icy storms. She kept herself going with a can of tomato juice or often hot chocolate. After almost 15 hours, she touched down in a field of Northern Ireland, much to the surprise of the cows. "Have you come far?" the farmer asked her. "All the way from America," she laughed. Amelia loved to fly, and she loved to do things no one had ever done before. Her biggest challenge was to be the first woman to fly around the world. She could only take a small bag, as all the space on the plane had to be used for fuel. Her long flight was going well. She was supposed to land on a tiny island, but never got there. In her last transmission, Amelia said she was flying through clouds and was running low on fuel. Her plane disappeared somewhere over the Pacific Ocean and was never found before. Before leaving, she wrote, "I am quite aware of the hazards and dangers. I want to do it because I want to do it. Women must try to do the same things that men have tried. If they fail, their failure must be a challenge to others." Here's Amelia Earhart. So let's see if you can just remember 2 or 3 things that I just read. 1, what did I read about Amelia Earhart? What did she do? She was known for being the first woman to do something pretty amazing, wasn't she? She also had a plane called a canary, which canaries are yellow, they're birds. So what I'd like you to do next is I'd like you to create some paper airplanes. Try to see if you can make 2. I'm not going to show you how to make a paper airplane because I want you to be creative. The only thing you need is a piece of paper, crayons, maybe you have some colored pencils, or even just some markers that you might have at home to help you out. That's all you need. So then I want you to try, after you make your paper airplane, try to write at least 2 or 3 things about Amelia Earhart. At least 2 that you remember from the short video, and maybe something you find on Epic. Remember, Epic can be found on Google Classroom. It can also be found on my Highlands Elementary page under Teacher Classroom. Just find my name and Epic is on there under Assignments. So let's look at this one. This person has some things on here that they probably listened to. First woman to fly solo over the Atlantic. I remember that. And she wrote something about she would drink hot chocolate. And she's a pilot. So then there's other stuff on here that they think they probably got it from Epic. So in 1937, her plane vanished. She was never found. She was a nurse, a pilot, a tutor at a children's center. Then have some fun with this, you guys. See how you can get your paper airplane to fly. Maybe have a challenge with some brothers and sisters. See which ones fly the best. Have a little competition. Like that one didn't go so well, did it? Here's another one. This person had some different colored paper at home or colored it with a marker. I'm going to add a paper clip to the front tip and see how far this one will go. A little bit further. And here's a red one somebody made, and maybe add a paper airplane to the back and see what happens. Or maybe add one to the back and the front and try to balance it out and see how well that one goes. Ooh, that one went a little bit better. Here's another one that somebody made, and I bet you I know why they made it yellow, because her plane was the Canary. And look at all this cool stuff. Cross the Atlantic Ocean, men and women have courage, helped people, a nurse, hot chocolate. Let's see how this one does. Ooh, that one did pretty well. Here's another one that somebody did. All of them are a little bit different. All of them are unique, and that is fabulous. Let's put a paper clip on the tip of this one. Let's see how this one goes. I think that one did the best. So challenge yourself tonight. See if you can remember anything that I read to you tonight about Amelia Earhart. Find some information on your own on the website called Epic. Have fun making paper airplanes. See who in your family can get it to go the farthest. Remember, all you need: paper, paper clips, pencil, crayons, anything that you want to use to create. Have a good night. I miss you. Have fun learning at home. Bye.